everlasting Gobstoppers. Let's see how well they do. I'm gonna try them for 4 minutes. We should stop this shit. They're melting like a motherfucker. Alright, I've let it cool down. Now I'm going to open up the fucking microwave. I'm kind of scared. I don't know what the fuck's going to happen. Alright. Holy shit. This is a pile of fucking goop. There's just a fucking pile of goop. It's fucking gross.